Hi everyone, my name is Sizwe Mlambo from Lungelo Youth Development, and I'm here representing Good Deeds Day because today is Good Deeds Day International. Today we had a great football festival with the boys and girls, as you can see. Right now they're having their lunch and we're about to go, but we had a great football festival where we taught the boys more skills, better skills, football skills. Taught them about the SDG goals, Sustainable Development Goals of the world, climate change, how climate change affects the world. Taught them how to carry themselves as human beings, as men of the society, as young boys of society. And yeah, we just had a good time with them, people dancing, people singing. And yeah, Good Deeds Day, we're just here to spread awareness about doing good around the world. Doing good doesn't mean you have to be doing anything big, but anything small, making someone smile, making the person next to you smile. Yes, then that's the rundown of what happened today.
So how did the day go?
It went great. It went amazing. Of course, a few implications here, but it was amazing. It was great. The boys loved it. I loved it. We had a mascot. So over there, we had our football training, where the boys, each team learned a different skill, and then they rotated. So once they were done with their 10 minutes, they went to the next station, did a 10 minutes of a different training session, and just like that. Under 15s were here, under 11s were there, and at the end of it all, we tested their skills out, tested if they learned anything here on the field, and they played 10 minutes against each other, and then we saw that the event was a success.
Oh wow, that's nice. So yeah, I think I'm gonna have to get hold of the boys themselves to find out how they think that they went.
Yes.
Thank you so much, Sizwe.